Hello and welcome to LondonPoolCompany.com. We are a division of London Landscape and we thought we would showcase another finished pool. So this one is the Lagoon shape. It has the birthday cake steps leading in with a bubbler on top so that you always have that lovely water sound. Come and just chill and put your feet in. This one is about a 6.5 foot deep end. It's hard to make out, but you actually only have about 4 feet of shallow end here, and then the whole thing slopes, so you can kind of make out the contour. It's just something, just sort of kind of a wading pool. All the concrete was done in-house by our concrete crews. The mulch was supplied by our store, as well as plantings. And we have a bar that was put in. So this bar features a roll-up door, and inside the roll-up door reveals a tiler. Normally it would be fridges and stuff, but since we just finished up, that's not quite installed. So everything in here was supplied by a supplier in town. We use a couple suppliers. We went to one specifically that we work closely with. On this pool, we've got 3 returns, all shooting towards the skimmer there to help keep everything nice and clean. The liner is called Butterfly Effect. And there's little blue flecks throughout the liner. You can see them pretty well there, but it's a little bit of a cloudy day, but those blue flecks really shimmer when the sun's out. Bit of an overcast day though. So another finished one by London Pool Company, and there you go. So this one is actually a 12 by 24, if anybody was wondering the size. Thanks for coming out and have a wonderful day.